I'm going to show you how to make the Brambled cocktail. The Brambled has in it some lemon juice, it uses Bombay Sapphire, it uses a bitter lemon tonic and Chambord, which is a black raspberry liqueur. So the first thing you need to do is grab your glass, and I'm using a Bombay Sapphire balloon glass. If you don't have one of these, you could just use a large burgundy red wine glass. Grab a lemon, and we're going to cut some wedges of our lemon. So cut through the middle, like so, and cut off your wedge. And then you want to squeeze this wedge into your glass, get all the juice out there, and then pop that in there as well. And now we're going to add our gin. So we need a 50 ml measure of Bombay Sapphire. So measure that out like so, and then pour it straight into the glass. And then you want to give this a nice mix, so swirl it round, mix all that lemon juice and all that gin together, and then fill this full of ice. So get as much ice as you can in there. And then we want to grab our lemon tonic, which is here, and pour in about 75 to 100 ml of this, just like so. And then just give that a little stir, just to mix everything together. And then we're going to garnish this cocktail first. So we're going to garnish this with some fresh mint and a raspberry. So grab your mint, and then you just want to awaken the aromas of your mint, just like so, and this will really bring out the smell of that. Pop that in, grab a fresh raspberry, place that in as well, and then we're going to lace this with the Chambord. So we're using 15 ml of Chambord. So measure this out, like so, and then lace it around your glass. So it will fall through nice, kind of lace through there. And there we go, that is the Brambled cocktail. Really refreshing cocktail, really great for summer. You get that nice thing of the lemon and that nice sweetness of the Chambord. Cheers.